Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WBTC3.com and WB Treese Consultants. We get a lot of questions from clients about how we do ESA Phase 1 inspections, assessments, studies. They go by different names. We often do them as combo work with a PCA or commercial building inspection. A Phase 1 or an ESA is essentially a land inspection. We go through your documentation. We make sure your property does not have a history of petroleum use, of heavy chemical use, of dumps and spills, all the way back as far as the records will go. Because you as an owner, as a buyer, as a property manager need to know what the history of that land is. These are the kinds of services we do for our clients. If you don't know, if you're unaware, look into an ESA Phase 1. Protect yourself from the liability, from the potential litigation of past spills and past chemical use. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.